don't know if I can say all this, but why does it say 20th Century Fox Star Studios, Searchlight Pictures, Video, Home Entertainment, Television Distribution? Because I like 20th Century Fox Star Studios, Searchlight Pictures. Because I love 20th Century Fox Star Studios, Searchlight Pictures, Video, Home Entertainment, Television Distribution. Hi, swat, script, squash, quish. No, it is not supposed to say 20th Century Fox Star Studios, Searchlight Pictures, Video, Home Entertainment, Television Distribution. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Fine, whatever you say, Captain Butt Obvious Cliff. Shut up. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox? Because I like 20th Century Fox. Yeah, right. That means you like 20th Century Fox, not 20th Century Fox. You want to be like me? No, I don't want to end up like you. I'd say this. Let me transform into your voice. Because I like 20th Century Fox. Ha 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 ha. Wow, 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 wow. Why does it say Fox Searchlight Pictures? Because I like Fox Searchlight Pictures. No, it's not supposed to say Fox Searchlight Pictures. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Please. Fine. It's not supposed to say Fox Searchlight Pictures. And you picked that once again. Like I told you not to. You impossible person who can't pick logos. Hey, I'm not impossible. No one calls me impossible. Come on, I ain't got all day for you searching this. not my fault. Yes, it is! You literally picked it, stupid! You dummy craphead! Oh my god! Dummy! Why? I bet you're gonna like this one. Don't even ask me why you picked that, because it is embarrassing. That's what I was embarrassing for this. You're gonna humiliate me. Well, in fact, this isn't even your studio. This is mine. TCT Films. Why does it say 20th Century Studios again? Why? I hate you so much. See, that's not liking. I don't care. Anyways, this is your last chance. I don't care how long it's been. Thank you so much. Now, please get out. Fine, whatever.